Our next story is from Pakistan and it concerns Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid, the former chief of Inter-Services Intelligence, the ISI. Is he about to get court-martialed? I ask this question because the Pakistan government is tightening the noose around him, probing his actions as the spy chief. I'll begin with this report. PML-N's senior vice president, Maryam Nawaz, has called for the court-martial of Faiz Hamid, accusing him of conspiring to topple her father's government and backing Imran Khan's government for 4 years. She said this in an interview to a Pakistani news channel. Let me quote, "I knocked on the court's door against General Faiz Hamid when he was the head of the ISI. I submitted the entire evidence along with the petition in the court. The major evidence was the former general's visit to the house of Islamabad High Court's former judge, Shaukat Aziz, and asked him to punish Nawaz Sharif and Maryam Nawaz and not approve their bail." And immediately after these remarks, another statement was issued, this time by Rana Sanola, the Interior Minister of Pakistan. At a recent press conference, he apparently told reporters that a probe was underway against the former ISI boss and his brother over alleged corruption. Sanola mentioned only the brother, but Dawn says that even Faiz Hamid is being probed. So what sort of corruption was he talking about? Well, besides trying to influence the judges, they have also been accused of accumulating assets beyond means. And this has triggered a huge debate. Opponents of the current government saying that such probes into assets are the domain of the FIA, the Federal Investigation Agency of Pakistan. Rana Sanola does not agree. As for the court-martial, it is the domain of the General Headquarters of the Pakistan Army. It does not even fall within the jurisdiction of the civil authorities. So how can a political leader get a former army official court-martialed? Well, the Interior Minister says politicians are free to express their point of view and leave it to the army to decide. Now remember, Faiz Hamid was said to be close to Imran Khan. In fact, there was a time when Imran Khan fought to make him stay on the post of the ISI chief. So in a way, the PML-N is trying to target Imran Khan by getting Faiz Hamid in the dock. The question is, what is Imran Khan doing about all of this? Well, he too is seeking a court-martial, not of Faiz Hamid, but of Qamar Bajwa, the former army chief of Pakistan. In a recent interview, he called for an internal military inquiry against Bajwa for his alleged admission about being involved in the PTI government's ouster. Let me quote his exact statement. "The PML-N, PDM and the establishment are all standing on one side. They altogether removed our government, and General Bajwa has admitted to the regime change since he has given his statement to a journalist about for what reasons the government was removed." And what exactly was he talking about? General Bajwa's remarks in a recent column, where he apparently called the PTI dangerous for Pakistan. Imran Khan says this is an admission of culpability. And this is why he is pushing for an inquiry against Bajwa. So at the end of the day, it has become a battle of court-martial versus court-martial. On one hand, you have Maryam Nawaz pushing for a court-martial of Faiz Hamid, a friend of Imran Khan. On the other, you have Imran Khan pushing for the court-martial of General Bajwa, a man he says helped the PML-N. My question is, do they have nothing else to worry about? Pakistan's economy is on the deathbed. The people do not have money to buy food. But the politicians are busy settling political scores. We can only sympathize with the people of Pakistan. We are now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.